Okay, I just want to give you an update on the compost tumbler. It's been 3 months since I started the new pile, and just I wanted to add that, you know, for this one I do add some compost starter. However, you don't necessarily have to. You could add existing soil to your compost, and that will encode and that will ensure that it composts at a faster rate. So let's open up here. This one has 2 compartments. So this is what it looks like in the first compartment, and I do, you know, try as regularly as I can to rotate it. Now, just as a reminder, what I have in here, I have dried leaves, dried grass, I have kitchen scrappings, eggshells, coffee grounds, and so forth. So that's the first compartment, and this is the second compartment. Okay. Now it'll be interesting to know what the test results will show. I did do a soil test with the local extension office. Haven't had the results as yet, but one of the things that I found, I did receive the results from the garden area, and what it did say is that there's a shortage of magnesium. There's also a shortage of phosphorus and potassium. And I found that coffee grounds, that is the used coffee grounds, would solve that problem overnight. As a matter of fact, you can actually add the coffee grounds directly to the soil area where you want to plant, and that will actually add the necessary phosphorus and potassium, because we know the key ingredients we need nitrogen, we need phosphorus, potassium, we need some calcium. You could get that, that's a source from your eggshells. And also we need magnesium and some trace metal elements. Okay, so this is what it is. I will provide you an update from time to time just to see how this second round in the compost tumbler is progressing. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. I also want to mention that the soil test I'm referring to, that there were no organic additives in those areas. So I just randomly took soil samples from the orchard areas and various areas of the hoop house, and those are the areas I'm referring to with the deficiencies. So as I mentioned, magnesium is one of the deficiency, and so this is an example of a bag of Epsom salt that I have, and you actually see that they actually refer to it also as a plant food supplement. So this certainly will get the job done. Another thing mentioned from the test, where we are have a lot of pine trees, and so the soil tend to be acidic, so we also need to add some lime also to help with that, with the acidity in that case. And so these are some of the things that we're doing to make sure our soil is up to par for the spring season, as we're about to plant the new set of crops. So again, thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to Petersville Farm, and we welcome your comments. Thank you.